Good morning. My name is Mark Ainsley B. Amoen. I live in St. John, and I choose the value of time. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It is a privilege to stand before you this day to discuss something that touches every aspect of our lives, the value of time. Time, the invisible force guiding our journey, is the often least appreciated and most undervalued resource we possess. Unlike wealth or material goods, time is irreplaceable and its passage is inevitable. Once it slips through our fingers, it can never be reclaimed. This is what makes time the most precious gift we will ever have. Today, I invite you to reflect on time's true significance and consider how we can honor this gift. From personal growth to relationships and achievements. This is a silent architect of our lives. How we spend it defines the story we write, the memories we create, the legacies we leave behind. Time is often referred to as a universal currency because it is one thing that every person is equally endowed with 24 hours in a day, 1,440 minutes, and 86,400 seconds. It doesn't matter if you are a world leader, a student, or a parent. Time offers everyone the same amount daily. However, while this currency is universal, the way spent is it not. Some people invest their time wisely, pursuing meaningful goals, nurturing relationships, or creating experiences that enrich their lives. Others squander it, distracted by trivial pursuits or caught in the illusion that will always be more time. But here's the truth: time does not wait, nor does it grant us luxury of endless opportunities. What we do with our moments is entirely up to us. One of the time's greatest gifts is the present moment. The past is gone, and the future is uncertain. But the present is a treasure trove of possibilities. Yet, many of us spend our lives either dwelling on past regrets or worrying about what lies ahead, often at the expense of fully experiencing the now. Imagine the opportunities the loss when we fail to embrace the present. Every moment carries it in with the potential to grow, to learn, and connect. By anchoring ourselves in the present, we unlock the ability to live intentionally and create a life of meaning. The power of the present lies in its ability to transform how we experience time, turning fleeting moments into cherished memories. The relationship between time and purpose is profound. When we align our actions with our purpose, time becomes a partner in achieving our dreams. It no longer feels like adversary that slips away too quickly. Instead, it feels like a resource that propels us towards our aspirations. Consider the lives of achievers, scientists, artists, and leaders who left indelible marks on history. Figures like Marie Curie, Leonardo da Vinci, and Nelson Mandela understood that time was their most valuable asset. They didn't waste it, they used it to pursue their passions, overcome challenges, and inspire others. Their lives remind us what the value of time is amplified when it is spent on things that matter. Time is deeply intertwined with our emotions. It carries the power to heal wounds, deepen relationships, and create joy. Yet, it can also bring feelings of regret when misused or ignored. How often we look back and wish we had done things differently. Regrets about missed opportunities, neglected, or waste hours can weigh heavily on us. So, how can we make the most how can we make the most of our time? The answer lies in intentionally. Start by identifying what truly matters to you, your values, passions, and priorities. Once you have clarified, align your actions with these priorities. Let go of distractions that do not deserve your purpose and focus on what brings you fulfillment. In conclusion, time is the most valuable asset we will ever possess. It is finite, irreplaceable, and priceless. By understanding its value, we can transform how we live, work, and connect with others. Let us not squander this precious gift. Instead, let us honor irreplaceable and priceless. By understanding its true value, we can transform how we live, work, and connect with others. Let us not squander this precious gift. Instead, let us honor it by living with purpose, cherishing our relationships, and embracing the present. Time is not just the backdrop to our lives, it is a canvas upon which we paint our stories. Let us make the stories ones of purpose, joy, and meaning. Thank you, and may God bless us all.